Welcome to Right Steps, Best Business to Startup. We're always making videos that helps you start and be successful in business. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell notification so that you can be the first to receive new videos on startup opportunities and resources. Today, tens of thousands of people are considering starting their own business, and for good reasons. On average, people can expect to have 2 and 3 careers during their work life. Those leaving one career often think about their second or third career as owning their own business. I think you will agree with me when I say finding the best business to start up can be difficult. Not every entrepreneur starts with a specific idea in mind. And with so many small business ideas, finding the right one is easier said than done. It can be difficult to figure out how to start a business and to know exactly what kind of business will be the best choice. It's tough to find the best business for a startup. What if there was a solution? A solution that can connect you with the best business to start up, that is worthy, profitable and affordable, and turn your dream of owning a business into reality. In today's video, I am going to show you how a right step can provide you with the best business to start up. The good news, starting a business, even a home-based business, is within the reach of almost anyone who wants to take a risk and work hard, as are a plethora of other low-cost ideas. The reality is, in business, if you want to have the best chance of succeeding, rather than coming up with a great idea that nobody has come up with yet and hoping there is a market for it, instead find out what people are already buying and create a service or product that fills that existing need. To this end, we have developed business startup kits, from the best business ideas, and provided startup tools for you to start a successful business. Each kit contains a business idea that has been thoroughly researched and is profitable, that you can start today. You may notice that a lot of the business ideas on this list have been growing in popularity recently. Visit http://bit.ly/bestbiz2start. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell notification so that you can be the first to receive new videos on startup opportunities and resources.